Everyone raves about Midjourney and DALL-E when it comes to AI images. And while they're great, they can be expensive. That's why I've been doing some research to find a free AI image generator that actually gives great results and whose pricing plan isn't such a huge jump if you do want pro features. I finally found a great one, Freepik. Not only does this tool create AI images, but it also gives you access to free vectors, videos, templates, and more. So today, I'm breaking down everything you need to know about it, including how you can start using it right now and why it stands out from the rest. Freepik AI Image Generator Quality. Let's start with the quality of the images, because let's face it, that's what really matters. Freepik runs on something called the Flux model, which is one of the best AI image systems out there right now. They didn't just grab an off-the-shelf AI model and call it a day. They developed their own system that can create incredibly realistic images. I'm talking about visuals that look like they came straight out of a high-end photo shoot. The first time I used Freepik's AI, I typed in something simple, a cozy cabin in the woods during winter, and used the free Flux fast model. What came back was so detailed, I actually stared at it for a few seconds, just soaking it in. You could see the texture of the wooden walls, the soft glow from the windows, and even the snowflakes on the trees. It's wild how lifelike these images are, especially for a tool that doesn't cost anything. Free image generation limits. Now, here's the part where we talk about limits, because free doesn't mean infinite. With Freepik's free version, you can create up to 20 images per day. That's plenty for most people, especially if you're just experimenting or working on smaller projects. You get access to their classic fast model and the Flux fast model, both of which are super quick and deliver high-quality results, as you just saw. Freepik also lets you upscale your images for free, which means you can make them larger without losing quality. Plus, there's a background removal tool included. This is a huge bonus if you're planning to use your images in a design or need them to pop on a clean canvas. The premium models, like Flux Realism or Mystic, are locked behind a paywall, but honestly, the free tier is more than enough to create some truly stunning visuals. Freepik AI Image Generator Tools. Getting started with Freepik is refreshingly simple, even if you've never used an AI tool before. First, head over to the website and create a free account. Then, hover over Tool and click on Explore AI Suite. As you can see, there are tons of things you can do with the AI tools. For now, let's look at image generation. You can go ahead and click on AI Image Generator and then type in a prompt, like I showed you earlier with Cabin in the Woods example. Let's type in another example here, like a group of firefighters hosing down a large burning building. You don't need to be a professional prompt writer to get great results either. Freepik has some built-in tools to help you out. They have a toggle that takes short prompts and fleshes them out into more detailed descriptions. I always keep this on. One thing that really sets Freepik apart is how customizable it is. They have options to adjust the style. You can pick from all of these options like illustration, watercolor, retro comic, and so much more. These styles are very unique, and I haven't seen many image generators offering this many styles. Let's pick illustration as the style for this example. You can also play with effects like lighting, color, and camera angles to fine-tune the look, which, again, I don't see many image generators producing. Once you select all these settings, you just hit Generate. Another great thing Freepik offers is the ability to upload a reference image. Let's say you already have a picture you like, but want to see different variations of it. Maybe it's a sketch, a stock photo, or something you grabbed off the internet. Upload it, and Freepik's AI will analyze it to create similar images that fit the same vibe or concept. I tried this with a photo of a vintage camera, and the results were spot on. The AI kept the retro feel, but experimented with lighting and backgrounds in ways I wouldn't have thought of myself. It's perfect if you're looking to build a cohesive set of visuals for a project, or just want to see some fresh takes on an idea. Speaking of comparisons, I ran the same prompt across Freepik's free model and their premium models, just to see the difference. while the premium options like Mystic and Flux 1.1 Pro have some extra bells and whistles, the free model held up surprisingly well. The main differences were in subtle details, like depth of field and dynamic lighting. For everyday users or hobbyists, the free version is more than capable of creating images you'll be proud to share. Freepik's other AI tools. Freepik isn't just about making images. They've packed in a bunch of tools to help you take those images to the next level. One of my favorites is their AI-powered retouch feature. Say you've generated an image of a park, but you want to add more trees or change the sky. You can use a brush or lasso tool to make those edits directly within Freepik. It's fast, intuitive, and super satisfying to watch your tweaks come to life. Then there's the upscaler. This might sound technical, but all it does is increase your image's resolution, so it looks crisp even when it's blown up to a larger size. Whether you're printing a poster or just want a higher quality version of your image, the upscaler has you covered. And if you're working on something like social media posts or digital ads, the background remover is an absolute lifesaver. It lets you isolate the main subject of your image so you can drop it onto any background you like. And what's great as well is that you can actually turn your images into short videos. Just open up your chosen image, click on Reuse Image As, and then create a video from image. Then you can describe your video. For example, I can say snow falling down from the sky. Pick the most suitable mode and effect, then click Generate. The results are super impressive, and you can actually create a video straight from your prompt using Freepik too. As if that's not impressive enough, have you ever scribbled a doodle and wished it could magically turn into a fully realized image? Freepik's AI sketch tool does exactly that. You draw something, anything, really, and the AI transforms it into a polished, professional-looking image. Just click on Sketch, and then type in the general idea, like a treehouse. Set the imagination intensity, and then on the left, you can sketch out your idea for the image and it will show up on the right. I love this feature because you get to be an artist without being an artist at all, and it feels like your own work. Freepik templates. Once you've got your images, Freepik makes it super easy to turn them into finished designs. They have a huge library of templates for everything from book covers to product mock-ups. I used one of their templates to create a phone case design with an AI-generated floral pattern, and the result looked like something you'd find in a boutique shop. Whether you're making a presentation, designing merchandise, or just playing around, the templates save you a ton of time and effort. So, why does all this matter? Because Freepik isn't just another AI tool, it's a gateway to creativity without barriers. You don't need a big budget, fancy equipment, or even prior experience to start making something amazing. Whether you're a student, a freelancer, or just someone curious about what AI can do, Freepik gives you the tools to explore, create, and share, all for free. And with features like image generation, editing, upscaling, and sketch-to-image conversion, it's like having an entire creative studio right at your fingertips. By the way, here's a tip for getting the most out of it. Play around with the settings and experiment. AI tools like Freepik are all about discovery. Try different prompts, adjust the styles, and don't be afraid to push the limits of what you think it can do. You might be surprised by the results. And that's pretty much everything you need to know about Freepik and why it's my top pick for free AI image generators in 2025. It's accessible, powerful, and packed with features that make it more than just an image generator. If you're ready to give it a shot, head over to Freepik and start exploring. Trust me, once you see what it can do, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Have you heard of Freepik before? Which AI image generator do you use at the moment? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful or interesting, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.